we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Scanning through here. Looks like a decent amount of tread left on those. Here on this wheel, overall in great condition. Looks really good. Here on the fender flare, a couple little scuffs. You do have a marking right there. Overall, that fender's clean. That looks good. A couple tiny scuffs on the side mirror. A-pillar looks nice. Making our way down the door. Tiny little scuff here with a dent. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not. It's very subtle. Rock impacts kind of throughout that lower section. Got the power running boards. That door looks good. That looks nice. You're going to see the rock impacts here. Kind of peppered throughout. And then you're going to have them on the white as well. The rest of that looks good. A couple small chips here and there. Otherwise, that looks nice. Got the spray on bed liner right here on the front end. Kind of go through the hood here. That looks good. A couple tiny chips on the edge, but otherwise in great condition. That looks nice. That looks good. See a little chip here. You're gonna have a couple rock impacts here and there. Then you have the replacement bumper, which looks awesome. Typical little impacts. Those lights look good. Looks really nice. Looking in the engine bay, of course, lots of plastic. You're not gonna see much, but you can come over here and see that, and that looks good. Here on the driver's side, just scanning the fender here. That looks good. Tread looks good. Overall, that wheel is clean. Side mirror looks nice. A-pillar looks good. You're gonna have typical rock impacts here. Looking at that door's good. This side looks nice. Typical rock impacts kind of peppered in this area, just like the other side. Overall, the rest of that looks good. Wheels clean. That taillight looks good. Couple scuffs here and there, like right there. Otherwise, that looks really nice. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. A little bit of wear on the handle here. Upper section looks good. That looks nice. Got the all-weather mats. This bolster's really clean. Same here, looks good. Got the Alcantara inserts on the side. Looking at the steering wheel, all of that Alcantara is nice and smooth. Headlights look good. All of that looks good. The massive screen. You do have a chip right here on the edge. Other than that, this side looks good. Here on the front right door panel, got a couple scuffs right here, otherwise in great condition. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks good. I don't see any other flaws on that seat. It looks really nice. A couple scratches here. Got the Alcantara on the top. That looks nice. Little scuff here. Upper section looks good, and you got the massive panoramic roof. Here on the back right door panel, tiny little scuff here. The rest of that looks nice. Got the all-weather mats. Seat back looks good. That looks really nice. Love these seats. They are heated and ventilated. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 29,683 miles on this Ram TRX. That flickering you see here, that's just in camera, that's not in person. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Suspension feels good. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard. Brakes are solid. Steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. Really no complaints. Drives really nice.